Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Good. How are you? You doing all of your puzzles?
Yeah.
Let me see you
Me?
with your helm on.
Take it away.
Dun, 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 dun. Gotta fix that computer.
You're on hold.
Dun, 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 dun,
Hold
dun, dun. Who is it? It's Rafael.
He's going to be a Rafael this morning.
A Rafael.
Rafael.
I got
I can go
one
into my
cup
shop.
of coffee here and one cup of coffee in the other hand.
Look.
We're ready to go. Let's go. Woo! Oh, careful.
No, just mine.
Okay, guys, good morning. So this is how my hair looks when it dries. Meh. And I have to straighten it to make it look like I did something with it. I wish that I could just leave it alone and let it be like crazy, wavy, curly kind of beach hair, but I can't. I have to actually do something with it, so let's go. Okay. This is the middle of the day, by the way. This is what it looks like outside. It's just so rainy. It's starting that rainy season again. You know what? We need to finish the rest of that paint off of there. Yeah, you don't notice things until you see it through the camera. Let's play a little Triominos.
Alright, let's get to playing. After Abigail gets her bow.
Yeah, she gotta get a bow on. All right. We don't have instructions. We need to go read instructions, but I think what we can do is just like take 10 pieces each. And no, what's the instructions?
You taught me earlier, like yesterday.
Oh, here it is. It's on the back.
I know how to play.
Yeah.
I played it yesterday, seriously.
We get 9 each.
Oh.
Face down, mix them up, 9 each. Stand them up facing each other. Numbers facing your player. Okay, so for example, 4 and 4 and 4 is 4 times 3 is 12, plus 10 is 22 points. Okie dokie.
Wow.
Yeah, you're definitely going to figure this out, Abigail.
Let's do it. Now, can you set up the game for me? Like it's playing
Sure.
your player? I don't get it.
I'll get it.
Okay.
There go my player. My player. You're my player.
Yep.
Okay. We get 9. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 more.
Oops.
8 and 9. Alright, so set it up. Let's get it.
There's my piece. 0, 2, and a 1. So he has to have a piece that has a 0 or a 1. or a 0 and a 2, or a 2 and a 1.
Is there any 2, 1? Are you trying to look at my pieces?
Only the camera.
Oh, I did it. Yes. But you look through the camera right here, so
Nope.
you saw it.
No, I didn't.
Okay, that's weird. It's really awkward.
Okay, I only have a 2.
I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, you can do that.
Oh.
Because they did it here. So this is what we have so far. It's pretty fun. We're not keeping track of the numbers. Abigail's in there playing with her Hanukkah little bubble globe thing that we made at Hanukkah last year. Or the year before.
No! All I need is this 0 to be a 1. Look at this thing.
It's pretty awesome. So that was our creation.
Can I get a shield in my sword?
Sure. All right, so we're going to get the story. We're going to get the story cubes out and play with those. Basically what it is you roll the dice and you tell a story by the pictures of what comes up. And Rafael has made a sword and shield. So here's his sword and his shield.
This sword will break after doing 3 hits to the shield.
Yep.
You see?
Yes.
I predicted. This shield is the rainbow shield of doom. It has more colors than the rainbow and is doom.
Okay, roll the dice on the table.
I'm not sure if it'll fall off.
No, just put it here on the table. Roll the dice.
I'm just going to figure out which cube is right.
Okay, line them up. We're going to tell a story.
Mm-hmm.
Let's line them up. We got, looks like fire and a castle. Time.
Once upon a time, there was a sad human because there was a fire in his house. And then the night shadow did it. But instead, he realized he was in Rainbow Village. He fell asleep on a cloud. He drowned in the water. But instead, he was in Flower Village again. He reigned at a hotel. But suddenly, an alien came on his yard.
The end.
The end.
Poor guy, he drowned, his house burnt down, he ended up in Flowerville, and then an alien spawned. Poor guy. It's just, he must, his name must be Job, huh?
His name is Joey.
Joey,
Yeah,
not Joby.
Joey.
All right, you got a package to open. It's from PJ Library. Go ahead. What is it? The Donkey and the Garden. Looks like some good reading there. Actually, looks like Moses and Zipporah.
It looks so cute.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a little package here for me. Thank you, PJ Library. Okay. Open the top, rip it open. Keep it open and never shut it. An egg for Shabbat.
Ooh. An egg for Shabbat. I may have gotten these mixed up, by the way. That other book might be for you, too. But they're both for you because both of you read them. Oh, yeah. Nice.
That just...
The Language of Angels. Look, the Hebrew letters. A story about the reinvention of Hebrew. Awesome.
People are reinventing Hebrew? Oh my goodness.
Today's Girls' Day.
And I'm a
You're a girl, but
Can I come?
it's not your day.
You're a little one.
A Korean altar. 275. Oh, Mother. Mother, she breaking her stuff over here. Grandma is a go-go-goer, okay?